Check it out, show. Hey yo,
It's yours!
Hi guys, there are a couple of stars piling up in my space right now, and I find it a better idea to give them some review. I have here a pair of Saftstar continuous LED softbox kit. I want to share with you my unboxing experience and review. So let's not waste any more time, let's jump right in. Welcome! First off, I got this softbox lighting kit online and it cost me around $70. Now this already comes with two LED softboxes. 45 watts LED rectangular softbox with external white cover. The color temperature can light up from 2700 degrees Kelvin warm color equivalent until 5500 daylight color equivalent. Power supply is separated. The voltage is rated from 100 to 240 volts, so you don't have to worry about which country you want to use it. So without further ado, let's start the unboxing. Not so fun part, so let's skip to the next. For complete set, here they are, so let's do one of the soft boxes first. Alright, moment of truth. The support metal stick has one end made of plastic, and that's the one going to the outer corners. On the other end is aluminum made, which should be connected to the LED light body on the designated holes. Place the LED light bulb below the softbox cover like so, and insert the metallic support one by one as shown. Now tidy up or finally wrap the edges.
Si el ritmo te lleva a mover la cabeza, ya empezamos como es. Mi música no discrimina a nadie, así que vamos a romper. Toda mi gente se mueve, mira el ritmo como los tiene. Hago música que entretiene. El mundo nos quiere, me quiere a mí.
I find the maximum height can reach 2.5 meters, minimum 1 meter. So that's about it guys, hope it is helpful, and if you like it, please hit that like button and subscribe. I'm gonna be sharing some of my other stuff in the near future, so many thanks, more love, and peace.